Complicated. Not simple or difficult to understand. This math problem is complicated. Fixing the car is complicated. Smirk. To smile in a way that looks proud or a little mean. He smirked when he won the game. She smirked at her friend's mistake. Slurp. To make a loud noise while drinking or eating. Don't slurp your tea. She slurped her noodles quickly. Woozy. Feeling dizzy, weak, or lightheaded. The medicine made me woozy. After the roller coaster ride, I was woozy. Gracious. Kind, polite, and respectful. She was gracious to everyone. His words were gracious and kind. Glowing. Shining or bright. The lamp is glowing in the dark. The stars were glowing in the sky. Haste. Doing something very fast, sometimes carelessly. In his haste, he forgot his keys. The workers finished the job in haste. Coy. Acting shy or pretending to be shy, often to get attention. She gave a coy smile. The little boy was coy when meeting new people. Zeal. Great enthusiasm, passion, or energy for something. She works with great zeal. The team played with zeal and won. Petty. Something unimportant or not worth getting upset about. Don't argue over petty things. He was upset by a petty problem.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!